Good day investors, welcome to the 27th of 2015 market review. The trade for today is called Sanlam and the code is SLM. Last traded price was 77.84 and the action is to trade short with the objective to go from the blue line to the green line. The entry level on the blue line will be 78.68 and the target on the green line will be 75.54. Stop loss to be used is 80.25 on the red line. Current open trades at this time is called Old Mutual and Tiger Brands. If we go down to the top 40 index of the JSE, the blue line identifies the movement of the index and it's still trading above the 5-day as well as the 20-day moving average. That shows you there's a positive momentum. Looking at the Dow Jones, they closed on Thursday evening about 10 points negative and they're still on this previous highs here. And if you look at your Bollinger Bands, there's still a bit of movement to go up, but it's trading between the green and the red in a positive momentum. A lot of data came through yesterday that was quite mixed on the US markets, and that is why they actually just moved a bit flat for the trade close on Thursday evening. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 index, also closed very flat. They were approximately about 151 points positive, but still testing the previous highs here of 47,200. So that is the highest. There's a lot of trading happening a day, and the movement is quite volatile as well, but still trading between the green and the red in a positive channel, testing the previous highs. Let's go to your retailers. Yes, Mr. Price. Now Mr. Price is also testing previous highs of the beginning of January's highs. Now it's on that highs as well, and it's quite top. Is trading in a sideways pattern. Looking at Woolies, came a bit down as expected, and next support will be close here to the 90 rand levels. Keep a close eye on this low point here, and that low point here is about 88 rand, trading at 90 rand 70. If you go and look at Shoprite, lost a lot of momentum. Still in this downward momentum after the spike it had of fundamental data, but the momentum of the share still going down. Now here is a very important factor. Do you see this 61.8% on the Fibonacci? That indicates to me now that this share is on a very, very low momentum at this moment, and there's the green and the purple and a downside momentum. Looking at your Barclays Bank, sideways, broke up, trading there on the high there, and you can see it's still above the green and the red, but this is totally a sideways pattern. Looking at Standard Bank, also tested this green here, still trading between the green and the red, an upward pattern, and the momentum is still positive, but it's starting to fade out. Let's go to your MTNs. MTN lost a bit of value, and yesterday it picked up a bit, about 88 cents, but look at the lows and the highs for the day. The low is 206.51 and the high is 211.65. So this share is trading about 5 rand cycles in a day up and down, and that's why the volumes are quite high. Traders are trying to pick up the lows and the highs and trade at 5 rands. Looking at Vodacom, Vodacom also lost momentum, still on the tops here, and it seems to be in a sideways pattern as well. Exara did well. Came down to this low here of 113, and that's now the current low, and it's still trading between the green and the red in a positive pattern. So this could be a share to watch, slow movement, but still in a positive momentum in the short term. Investec starting to come from the 105 rand levels, going to 103.33 on the close, but this share is also trading in a positive channel currently. So you will see a lot of shares on the tops, some are at the bottoms, but most of them are on the tops and starting to go into sideways patterns, showing you all the volatility and the uncertainty of the market's movement. Enjoy this Friday's trading.